Okay, so I look super extra right now. I did my makeup for a video, which will be up before, actually, will it be up before this vlog? I don't know, but you'll know before me. Anyways, I did this makeup and I tested out some products that I got from this week's Dollar Tree haul. And then I also made some TikToks because it's just a really cute yellow makeup and I match yellow and yellow. And we are about to leave the house. We're actually, I don't want to say it out loud because I don't know if it's a secret, but we're going to a fireworks stand and we're gonna get some stuff for 4th of July. So yeah, I don't know if he wanted to keep it secret or not, but we're just waiting on hubby to get home and he's gonna pick us up in the truck. Is this crooked? I can't tell. Is it crooked? But look at all this yellow. I'm just like living for this yellow right now. Yeah. So I had a very productive day. I filmed a video. I filmed 3 TikToks. I did the dishes. I cleaned the counters. I cleaned the stove. And I swept. All nice and neat. And then Mila organized the couches.
Tell me why we just spent $80 at the Cuete stand.
Isn't that not a lot? I feel like I literally could have bought every big thing and like all the sparklers in there.
When I saw the names of the products, I was like going back to childhood, like for... All right, I just got out of the shower and into some PJs and we got a bunch of fireworks, which I'll show you guys in a vlog for like the July 4th weekend. I'll show you all the fireworks we got. But I wanted to show you this new purse that I got. So I got this really cute Coach purse today. And you may be thinking, girl, you spent over $100 on that, but no, I did not. I got this from Facebook Marketplace. And the only reason I would buy it from Facebook Marketplace is because it is so much cheaper and it's good condition. I wouldn't buy it if it wasn't good condition. So like the straps are completely intact. It looks like she only wore this like twice. Like there's literally no wear and no tear in it. And it's an authentic Coach bag. Like, and I'm not one to be for labels, but I got it for cheap. Just guess how much I paid for this. Just guess. Just literally guess how much I paid for this. Okay, are you ready for the real answer? I paid $25 for it. What in the world? But seriously, I've been looking for a purse that's just a little bigger because I have a lot of smaller purses. I used to always use big purses and I was like, I'm so tired of like lugging around all this unnecessary stuff. So then I got into little bags and now I'm just like, I kind of wish I had more space. So now this is kind of like a medium large. I wouldn't call it a large bag. I would say it's like a medium bag. So I just needed something a little bigger and I like the black and the gray color. So I got that today. Gotta love Facebook Marketplace, but I'm gonna have a dessert now. We already had dinner and I'm gonna have a dessert and I'm gonna watch 10 Things I Hate About You because I recorded it and that's my second most favorite movie of all time. My first favorite movie is Save the Last Dance with Julia Stiles, and 10 Things I Hate About You is with Julia Stiles and Heath Ledger. Those are my top 2 most favorite movies. I could watch them over and over again. What's good, mother lovers? So it's the morning. I took my yellow nails off last night because I broke this finger and it wasn't all the way broken off. It was like a split halfway down the middle of the nail. And so I just left them on, and that happened like Saturday night, but yesterday was Sunday and I just left them on the whole day. And then I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna take them off. Some of them were kind of like lifting and I was like, let's just take them off. I'll put a new set on. And then I was like, oh my God, I never finished my pink ombre set. So that's frustrating. Here's 5 of them. And I've done the base color, but I need to go and do the ombre part for it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I've had only 1 cup of coffee. And I brought my second one up here, which typically I don't bring my coffees up here. But I really want to get this done because it does take a lot of time to dry. And I want to put them on tonight or tomorrow at least. So today is Monday. And I wanted to work out today, but my quads are like really, really sore. So the other night I was like dancing a lot. I was twerking with my friends. And then I realized like, oh my God, like I can't believe I like hung out with people and I just forgot about this whole like virus stuff. Like I completely forgot that it was a thing, you know, like, I don't know. Like, I hope it wasn't like too irresponsible, but I was distanced and I didn't share anything with anybody, and I had Lysol spray and I like sprayed all of the doorknobs, and we were outside, so I don't know, but my husband and I were like, okay, we're not gonna do that again. We need to like stop hanging out with people. It's just like you get so cooped up, you know, and you can't go on date nights, you can't get a babysitter. And we just like miss having fun, you know, like I'm sure everybody else does. But I guess like I didn't think about the virus at that time. And I was like, oh my God, why did I do that? But I mean, like we had a lot of fun and I think we'll be fine. But in Texas, the cases have been rising a lot. Yeah, so I didn't even think about that. But anyways, I was twerking. We were like drinking and hanging out and I was like twerking all night, and now my quads are so sore. But that day I had done deadlifts and I had done the treadmill and I had done leg extensions and all that. And then I twerked all night. And so yesterday my legs are sore and I thought, oh, they'll be better by Monday, and they're still sore. So I was thinking I could just do the treadmill today because I should get some lactic acid flowing through my muscles. It helps with muscle soreness when you keep moving. So I was thinking about doing the treadmill, and it's 11 a.m. So if I just get these painted, I could let them dry, and then I could go do the treadmill. Then I could come in and put the top coat and shower, and, you know, maybe by tonight I can put them on, because I don't like being without, even just like for a day, I don't like being without nails, because I just feel like when you've had nails on for so like long, like so consistently, you feel like you just look weird as hell. I just feel like my fingers look weird without them. So yeah, that was enough rambling. I'm gonna get into painting this. Later today, we're gonna go check my P.O. box for the first time because I believe I have a package in there. I got a little message that I have a package. So we're gonna go check my P.O. box and that'll be it.
All right, so I'm at the post office and I just got my first package in my P.O. box, and it's from this company called Heritage Pride, and they make face masks in different prints and designs so that you can be safe with this virus but also be fashionable and match different outfits. So they asked me if they could send me some masks, and I was like, absolutely, that would come in handy, and I'm sure that you guys would love them and need them in your life. So here's what, I don't want to like show you the top. Actually, it doesn't matter anymore because it's my P.O. box. But yeah, so it came in this nice black box here. Sorry, it's kind of like a mess, but it came in this nice box. There's their logo, Heritage Pride. And I just opened it to make it easier for the video. And they put this packing stuff in here to keep it nice and safe. But look at this really nice tissue. Like, how cute, right? And so there is a coupon code for you guys to use if you need to buy some masks. You can use the code SAVE15 for 15% off of your purchase. They have an Instagram and they have a Facebook. I'll get close-ups if you want to scan those on your phone. And then shopheritagepride.com so that you can find some masks. You guys, I'm so excited about these masks. I'm gonna wash them before I put them on my face, but I'm so excited to show you guys the ones I picked out. So they come in a set of 3, and they have like different packages with different themes. And this is called the Royalty 3-piece set. Okay, so the Royalty 3-piece set. This is the one I'm most excited about. Look at this. It's a cow print! Oh my gosh! You guys, I literally got this set because I wanted a cow print mask so badly. Like, how cute is this? How cute is this? So cute. Oh my goodness. Look at that. White and gold. Kind of has like a tie-dye effect over there. Isn't that cute? This one, which is like a geometric shape. Black and white matches everything, obviously. But I love the gold here. So if you want to just be more dressed up, you know, wear some gold jewelry, that is super cute. And I like the shape of this because it looks like it goes higher up on your nose and then lower. But this cow print one is everything. I'm living for this cow print one. Okay, so I opened the cow print one, and yes, I can already tell I'm gonna like this mask because you see it has the seam there. Do you see how it leaves a space for your nose? The one I currently have on doesn't leave any space, and it's really hard to breathe. The feeling of this material is like, I guess like polyester, like that silky feeling, but it's not silk. And these are stretchy for your ears. And yeah, I really like the shape of this. The quality feels really good, you guys. So I'm gonna wash these and then I'm gonna try them on and I'm gonna show you how they look. But I just want you to see the mask that I have now. It has no seam in the middle, so there's no space for your nose to breathe. And so when I start sweating and breathing heavily, it like the cloth gets in my nostrils and I can't breathe. Do you see how this one is just completely like flat? That does nothing for me when I need to breathe. So this is the one they gave me for work and it just does not work out. So I'm like so excited that they reached out to me and sent me these masks because these are gonna come in handy. We need to be safe. We need to protect ourselves. We need to protect others, but like not at the cost of feeling not cute. You know what I'm saying? Like this is just so adorable. I love cow print so much. Look at this curve on here, the space that it gives you from your face to the mask. So I'm gonna start wearing those to work and wherever I go out, I'm gonna start wearing these. I'm so excited to put them on. And I want to just thank Heritage Pride for reaching out to me and sending me these 3 masks. I know that I'm going to use them and they look so incredibly cute and I can't wait to try them on for you. And of course, I'm going to leave their website down below in the description box, and I will leave that discount code for you guys down below in the description box as well. I'm not getting any commissions off of this. It's just simply to share with you guys this great company's products. So if you need you some masks, I know a lot of people are looking for masks right now. I know in Texas we're having this second go around. We're probably going to go on lockdown again, and a lot of the counties are already requiring you to wear masks everywhere. So if you need them, this is a company who's got them and it's good quality, and you get a 3-pack. These were for, but these are inserts for the masks. So in here there's an opening on both sides, and that's like a filtration, you know, part of the mask. So this is washable. I washed them all, and then I left this out to show you guys that goes inside, and I already put them in both of these. So I'm gonna show you what they look like. This is the cow print one. This is my most favorite one. It's so cute. So you can see the filter. I don't know if you can see that corner. This is the filter in here. And it goes like a little bit higher on the nose and lower on the eyes, which is really nice. And it's like super soft and comfortable. It's actually more breathable than the one that I currently have. As you can see, it gives you a little bit of space. This is my second favorite. This one is so cute. I love the way that it looks. This one's just a little bit more fancy. It's got the gold in it. So cute. I love this one. It like matches my outfit right now. And this is the last one. This is the geometric shape one. Okay, y'all, I just finished my new set of nails. I know it's hard to see. It's nighttime already. But I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog, but I wanted to show you guys my new set. So it's a bright hot pink ombre. I'll put a little picture in here so you could see it better with the flash on, but I also uploaded it to Snapchat and
Instagram. But I love it. It is so cute and so summery. It's got a pinky nude on the bottom and a bright hot pink on top. And I also painted my toes the same hot pink. But I think I should have put white underneath the nail polish because it didn't come out as bright. So you see how it like didn't come out as bright? I should have put white underneath, but it's okay. It's still cute. It's still cute. So yeah, I'm just here in my room watching Nip Tuck. I was just watching it while I was doing my nails, and I'm gonna relax now and end my night. And I'm gonna go see what hubby's doing downstairs because I've been up here and he's been downstairs watching his show. So I'm gonna go see what's up. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. And don't forget about those links and coupon codes for those face masks. If you need some face masks, get you some cute ones. They have a bunch of different ones. Go ahead and check out the website, and yeah, I'll leave that down below for you, as well as all of the other goods and the other details. You know, there's always some good stuff in my description box, so don't sleep on it. Go check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you love my vlogs. Can't speak. And subscribe if you're not subscribed already, because a lot more exciting videos are gonna be coming. Okay? I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.